tell me when you're ready. Hi, I'm Hayley Williams, co-founder of Good Dye Young. Today I'm gonna be applying our new hair makeup, I'm Bored, in the shade Texture X. LOL. I love this product because it is a semi-temporary hair color, so it makes it really easy to switch up your look. I'm Bored needs to be applied to towel-dried hair, so I'll be back. Holy f***, I'm fast. All right, now that you look like a wet rat, section off the hair that you may not want to put color in. I'm just sectioning off the front parts right here. You kind of want to use I'm Bored as like an accessory to your hair. You don't really need to think about it as like an all over color. You just want to like add some pizzazz here and there, you know what I'm saying? We're ready to go. I'm actually just gonna put it directly onto my hair. You can comb it through and then just kind of continue to apply until you're happy with it. Now I'm just gonna dab my hair with a towel just to sort of get the excess product out so it doesn't look greasy or weighed down. Now we have to blow dry it in, and you get the best results if you do it with a brush. Brian, I've never used your hairdryer before. Gosh, you're a pro. Can you tell that I never used a round brush? It's that easy, and I absolutely did not have co-founder Brian O'Connor help me style the rest of my hair. My mom uses a round brush. I cannot. It washes out in 4 to 6 washes, so it's super easy to switch out your look. I'm Bored semi-temporary hair makeup comes in 5 different shades. We have 3 for our blondes and 2 for our brunettes. Okay, so if you're bored, don't text your ex. Color your hair.